Will Onmd squeeze all the way upwards of the $6 to $7 range once again, or is this a ticker which is glory days are behind it? You should be locking in profits and walking away from. What's up, friends? Today, splitting Onmd under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a catalyst breakdown. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. The where, I'm going to tell you guys where to get in, where to get out. So, without further ado, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get to work. So, why do we talk about the why, guys? We talk about the why because in order to predict the future, we first need to understand the past. In the case of Onmd, this is a ticker which is already up over a whopping 100% on the day. So we want to analyze whether or not the gains that we're seeing right now, are these actually sustainable for the ticker, or are these just gains that are going to be here today, gone tomorrow? In the case of Onmd, the company did actually have some solid news. So let's go over here and let's see what the news were. So it says Onmd select Palantir to advance healthcare AI and data analyst analytics. So it says Onmd Corporation has selected Palantir Technology to transform the healthcare AI and real-world RDA analytic marketplace. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform will provide the infrastructure for Onmd, a real-world AI-powered provider network, enabling Onmd to empower life sciences, medical devices, and research organizations with anonymized regulatory-grade clinical data and advanced analytics to accelerate the development of cutting-edge medical solutions efficiency. So it says access to healthcare data remains a key barrier to unlocking $860 billion. Onmd is positioned at the forefront by leveraging Palantir software to combine Onmd's expansive provider network with Palantir's advanced analytics, unlocking scalable recurring revenue opportunities on a secure regulatory grade platform. So overall looks good. Okay, overall looks good. Under the multi-year agreement, Palantir's artificial intelligence platform renowned to enable, this is not a partnership. Okay, all right. So first of all, for the folks at home, right, this is not a partnership. This is them becoming a customer. Okay? That's something that needs to be disclosed. All right? Because anytime you hear two big companies, and this is very common, I see this all the time, right? Where anytime you see two big companies, two companies mentioned together, you're like, oh, well, that means they're friends, right? It's kind of like, what's it like? It's kind of like, well, this video is filmed on an iPhone, okay? 16 Pro S, okay? Pro Max, I don't know, I just bought it, okay? I didn't just buy it, but you know what I'm saying. 16 Pro Max. Does that make iPhone, does that make Apple a partner of Top Trader Academy? Does that make Apple a partner of Top Trader Sam? No, it does not. It does not. Now, Palantir has been expanding a lot more in the commercial sector. Now, are they selective about the companies that they work with? Military-wise, yes. But the fuck they care about what Onmd's growth looks like? Hey, Onmd, can you make the payments? Oh yes, I can make the payments. All right, here, hook him up. So, there's a lot of, there's a lot of hope. There's a lot of hope going on regarding Onmd. So overall, I would rank the catalyst as okay. I think it's an okay catalyst. I don't think it's something to write home about. I think it's got buzzwords. Selects Palantir to advance the... Okay, cool. There's that. Now, the next thing we want to look at is going to be the what. The what analysis. What's the what? What is the what? The what is the company. Not the company, is the stock. When it comes to stock analysis, this is what happens, right? A lot of times, when people are anticipating where a given ticker is heading, they start doing shit like this. Where they start going like, it's going $860 billion market opportunity. And then they start doing math like this. They start saying, well, if Onmd even gets 10% or even gets 1% of this 860 billion, Well, that's still about 570 million. At 570 million, OneMed right now only has a market cap of 118 million. So that means that it's trading at a deficit of a 7x multiples. So that's why it doesn't work like that. Right? The stock is on the company and the company is on the stock. Are you a trader or are you an investor? If you're an investor, Onmd, great. Click away. You probably know more about the company more than I do. But if you're a trader, and this is so important because you need to know how you're approaching this. A lot of times this is what I see, right? People buy a stock as a trader, right? The trade goes south, they take off the trading hat and they put on the investor hat. That's what they say, right? They say, everyone's a long-term investor. Anyone that says they're a long-term investor, that means their short-term investing didn't work. Okay? So, when it comes to Onmd, you kind of got to understand that, hey, listen, even if you're a long-term investor, these prices are a little bit elevated. So let's talk about the company, right? Let's not talk about the stock, rather. Now, when it comes to the stock, supply and demand, right? So let's see how much supply does this company have. It's got a free float of 25 million shares. Okay? So its market cap, truly, its free market cap is about 50 million. Okay? It's about 50 million, give or take. So that's very volatile. That's very good. Now, here's the thing about volatility, though, right? Is that it's a double-edged sword. Just as fast as things go up, just as fast as things can come down. So you need to be smart about volatility, right? So remember that. Now, the next thing which we want to look at is going to be, does this company dilute often? Are they dilutive? Well, when we look at their cash, they have 0 months of cash. They're broke. They're broke as a joke. So they need money to dilute, right? Historically, they haven't diluted that much. And right now, their overhead supply is okay. But they need money. So the odds of dilution is actually relatively high. It's not off the table. They have about 11% institutional ownership, which is good. 11% institutional ownership is actually relatively good. It's strong, pretty good. Okay. It's not really good. It's okay, right? It's okay. Anything above 20% for me is good. 50% plus is amazing. Okay. But 11%, that's pretty good. So overall, when it comes to Onmd, now let's talk about the charts. What is the Onmd heading? Unfortunately, guys, the highest I see it going now would be the test of $3. I don't see this ticker getting above $3. It's going to need a lot of volume to carry it to the upside. And I think where the company's positioned right now financially, I don't think the catalyst is all that. I don't like the catalyst. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm not a fan of the catalyst. I think what you're getting over here is you're getting a lot of frenzy in the markets and people are just buying for no reason. That's what I see over here when it comes to Onmd. So overall, I'm not a big fan of Onmd at all. And yeah, okay, that's it. I'm not a fan. The highest I see it going would honestly be this 280 level. Okay, if it breaks 280, I don't see it getting above 320. I don't. Remember, this is just what I think. So what I would do, if I have a position, I will close some out closer to this 280 level. And the rest I'll close closer to 320 levels. That's what I would do. All right. Now, with that said, listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, know exactly what I'm buying, exactly what I'm selling, get alerted directly to your phone, have your phone go, woo, woo, oh, buy this? Okay, I'll go buy this. Woo, woo, sell this? Okay, I'll go sell this. Simple and easy. Right now, our exclusive community is on a 50% discount for the next 10 members that join. What do you get access to? Let me show you. So, you'll get access to our day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, mentor Q&A, crypto alerts, you name it, we got it. This is what our alerts look like. We give it a ticker, we give it entry, we give it exit. We also tell you how many shares to buy. So we use 10K as a benchmark. Let's say you have a 50K account, you buy 5 times this. Let's say you have a 40K account, you buy 4 times this. Simple and easy. Very simple, very easy. Okay? Overall, we have had over 400 members coming back month after month. And here's the thing. Here's what makes us special. We offer a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Literally about a week ago, my man says, last year when I tried trading by myself, trading felt hopeless. But with your help and your team, I'm on my way of having my first ever profitable year. Not to jinx it, I love you guys. 100% past year. Thank you, Simon. Top trader item productive. $215. Green week. Another day following Sam with his daily wins right now. He's been 16 out of 17 days win for me. September proved to be a solid month. Thank you, Top Trader Academy. And 164% the past month. Can't make up these numbers, man. You can't make this shit up. $1,000. Thank you, Sam. You guys rock. $65. Big or small, guys? Big or small? Thank you, Sam. $22,000. 64 bucks. Give it a shot. Lewis says, I love how British people keep their British accent. Listen to this. Sam and the gang, you lot of freaks. Look at this shit. Unbelievable returns in a month. On we go. Come on, boys and girls. 22,000 pounds. Also just started trading again, not even 2 months ago. Been in this chat for about a month. And from 17, this is what I'm reading. And from 17K account is already up 10K. Yo, people are making so much money that I had to come out and announce, hey, motherfuckers, take some money out. Be rich. Be rich, okay? Let me make you rich. Make some money. Move your money out. You see this shit? When was the last time you had a mentor tell you this? Nobody even talks about this. You know why? Because nobody's making money in these discords. So they don't even know this is a thing. Craziness, man. Craziness. I'm proud of what we've built, man. I'm proud of what we built. Once again, 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Give it a shot, okay? 50% gains on an account. Magical. Magical stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching. Happy some trading. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Right now, next time, remember, it's 50% discount. I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Trader Academy. Your boy Sam from Top Trader Academy.